guys, we are moving cross country this week and I love this impromptu road trip. Right now we are at Petrified Forest National Park and this is in northeastern Arizona. As the sign here says, we made a good decision to visit here. We're gonna spend some time go see some of these highlights displayed here. Wow, can you believe this was a forest and there were dinosaurs walking here million years ago? This is our first stop, Painted Desert Visitor Center. Here you can buy some souvenirs and petrified wood if you like. And there is a gas station if you need it. After passing the main gate, we stopped at Tipani Point. We get to see some amazing views of Painted Desert, red, pink and blue tones as you can see. So, this is our second stop. We are stopping at more viewpoints to see different views into the wilderness area of the Painted Desert. Hey, check out the car out there, 1932 Studebaker. I just learned from the sign there that this is the only national park has the portion of Route 66. That's interesting. I'm actually imagining cruising Route 66 here in the Studebaker. That's something, and we are driving this Penske today. Is that something? Wow, this is really a beautiful sight to behold forever. Nice view looking down. Sure is a sight to behold. I'm sure we are gonna see more along the way. This is Jasper Forest. Right in front of you, you see is one of the oldest and largest petrified wood collections in the world. And it's not just petrified woods you see here in Jasper Forest and Blue Mesa. There are dinosaur footprints preserved in stone and fossils of them. The next stop brings us to the building you see over there. That's another historical landmark and which is called the Painted Desert Inn. I heard this one was a restaurant many years ago. Right now they are preserving it as a museum. and there are Native American artworks that you can explore. We're not gonna go in there because I'm trying to explore the petrified woods in our next stop. Yay, this is what I always wanted to see. Crystal Forest, my main stop. Can you believe this was a tropical forest some million years ago? So cool to see. This sign over there says collecting these petrified woods is prohibited. We will obey that. So many petrified woods scattered around. We're gonna walk here more amongst all these crystals. This dry land was a swamp and a forest, and that was some 225 million years ago. That's hard to believe. And in time, that forest turned to stone.
It's not a piece of wood anymore. Look at that. It's all.
Most of these logs has clear quartz and purple amethyst crystals. Wow, this was a wood and now a stone.
Flip it.
I'm amazed to see this. Really something to say. Magnificent gallery of natural art. Yeah, nature is the best artist. When you touch it, it really feels like wood, but it's rock. What happened to the trees? The process of petrification. A tree dies, the tree topples into the water, and sediment starts to cover the log. Rapid burial seals the tree away from bacteria and oxygen, inhibiting decay and depositing minerals. Who cut the tree? No one. The quartz within the wood causes it. What do the colors mean? Iron oxides, manganese oxide, pure quartz or silicon dioxide. How long does wood petrification take? It depends, but we know that it takes millions of years, and the result is beautiful petrified wood we see today. And I found these petrified wood chips, so many. Look at these. Is that something everywhere? Wood turned to stone. Check out this one. This is so special to see. So glamorous. This is where we spent our most of time because we were amazed by its magic and we were exploring more. This is sure a hike back in time. We can access some of this area by foot, but most of the areas are so fragile and no hiking allowed. This national park is truly amazing, preserving so much of human history and natural history. Our next stop, we are going inside this museum. Here, they maintain park's most comprehensive paleontological exhibits. Got my National Park passport book stamp, yay! Newspaper Rock, the most popular area in the entire park. Let's walk there and check out some gigantic rocks with petroglyphs on it. Here we have some binoculars to look at the gigantic rocks. A work of generations. Those rocks are 2000 years old. And look at that. Can you see that artwork? The exact meaning behind each photograph is unknown, but American Indians provide insights, family or clan symbols, spiritual meanings. You will really need a zoom lens or binoculars to see the artwork clearly. But my phone is doing a pretty good job. I'm impressed. It's almost done, and I'm fully fascinated by the great sprawl of badland colors and the petrified world. This national park is packed full of natural wonders. There is something from this park that lingers in your memory, and that's crystal clear magical. Thanks for watching my video. See you later.